Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're actually talking about dash covers. I want to show you a dash cover inside a Volkswagen Jetta, but this could be a dash cover inside your vehicle. It's custom fit for your vehicle. You give us the year, make, model, and we can get it going for you. Now, a dash cover is important because if the sun hits your dash a lot, then your dash eventually can crack. And also another nice thing that a dash cover does is it reduces the reflection of the sun, so it kind of eases the strain on your eyes as you're driving, which is really nice. So let's check out this dash cover. Okay, so let's check out the dash cover. Again, this is the cover in black. It goes really nice inside this vehicle. The dash was already black inside here. And I do have an install video teaching you how to install this dash cover. It's a very simple install. It has some Velcro attachment method on the dash that is actually a sticky back Velcro that goes underneath here, and you put it in different places throughout the dash to get this all stuck on and staying nice and flat like this. So a nice dash cover here, again, goes well with the floor mats that we did inside here and the seat covers that we did inside here today as well. The biggest thing that it's just going to protect this dash up here and keep the sun off it. That way, years down the road, you don't have a dash that's cracking. That's always a hassle and very expensive to deal with. So it's always a good idea to have a dash cover, and looking really nice here. Feel free to contact us to see more at coversandcamo.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. If you have any more questions about dash covers or other products like seat covers, floor mats, other things like that, feel free to contact us at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.